So hello, good morning and welcome to another vlog, another video, another day even, haha. So good morning people, how are we doing this morning? Chilly but I was going to say chilly but warm. Is it chilly but warm? It's most certainly chilly, I can tell you that. Is it as cold as yesterday? Possibly. So yeah, is it as cold as yesterday? Possibly as cold. I don't I'll soon let you know when I start shivering for how cold it is or not. So yes, today is Wednesday people, and it is payday. Whoa. Although by the time we get to Friday, I've got a feeling that most of the wages will be gone. So yeah, looks like we've got some nutters on the road this morning. Cars pulling in front of cars and cars braking hard in front of me and shit and bollocks and everything else. So yeah, mirrors fucking moving, and I tend to look at that mirror more than that mirror, I think. I don't know why. So yeah, just another day. As I said yesterday, I keep forgetting the subjects, don't I? So yeah, I don't know what I was going to talk about now. I had it all planned in my head when I left work, and then gets to this point and it's completely fucking gone. No, I think it is a bit colder actually, to start with anyway, because my nose is starting to really get cold. I wanted to bring a couple of stuff to work this morning, but I couldn't fit them in my bag. Road gets fucking worse, I'll tell you. Oh, this is a 50. I usually do 40 down here. So this is 50 apparently. That's quite bad. Fucking sun's behind me so I can't see. I'm a little overzealous. There you go. That feels really slow.
Tick-tock, tick-tock, tick-tick, tick-tock, tick-tock.
So anyway guys, I'm gonna go. I should be back after work. Let's see if it's a good day. We're not getting paid, so partly. Right, I'll see you later guys. Bye bye. So hello people. How are we doing? I'm gonna do the bikey thing. Right, that's all set up for me to go past. Since he hits the brakes, I'm going to whiz past. So, as I said, me off on my way home. It's getting, as I keep saying every day, I don't know what this camera's going to be like in the dark, because I've never experienced this camera in the dark. Indicators, boys, indicators. It looks like I'm going to have to try and change these settings as well. Oh god, I'm going to have to change the settings on the camera as well. So bear with me if the settings seem a bit weird, because it supposedly auto adjusts, but I don't know whether I can actually trust the auto adjustment or not. Trust the auto adjust. Oh shit. I was meant to go somewhere. I'm going home. I'm going to go straight home. Or do I? I don't know. I'm actually talking to myself now, guys. Talking to myself.
I'm talking to myself. I'm talking to myself again.
What does that sound like? I don't know. That just sounded like a song. These roads are looking wet. They are looking a bit. But apparently next couple of weeks, no, next couple of days, the temperature seems to be going up which is kind of scary. Sorry guys, as you can hear, the fucking coughs come back. That is a little bit to do with work. Yeah, I've had that heat, is it that heat vapor rub stuff? I've had the smell of that today in the air, and well, at one point, and it sort of, I've had to breathe it in, and it sort of, I think it's done my fucking chest in. So where I thought this cough had been shifted, it obviously came fucking back. It's definitely getting darker. What did I say? End of the week, you see a noticeable difference in the light in the street. Well, it's already 3 days in when I said that, and yeah, it's getting darker, which means, yeah, next week will be a lot more darker than this, I reckon. So anyway guys, thank you very much for watching, liking and subscribing to me. Don't forget to leave a like, don't forget to leave a subscription, don't forget to check out the cards, and stay awesome people, stay the fuck awesome, and yeah, take care, see you tomorrow, bye bye.